In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a captivating 3D cube to your Canva project. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your design and add a touch of depth and dimension that can really make your project stand out. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can follow along with ease and confidence. Let's start by heading over to your Canva project. Open up your browser, navigate to Canva, and log in if required. Once you're logged in, locate and open the specific project where you want to add a 3D element. If you don't have a project ready, you can quickly start a new one by selecting the kind of design you want to create using Canva's templates. Now that you have your project open, take a moment to consider where the 3D cube would look best. Placing it strategically could really enhance your overall design. The next step involves bringing this 3D element to life. Move your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll find various tools and options. Look for the Elements tab and click on it. The Elements library is an incredibly versatile resource, offering a broad range of shapes, images, and other design features you can use. We're focusing on adding a 3D cube, so in the search bar at the top, type in 3D cube and hit enter. You'll be presented with a delightful array of 3D cubes in different styles and colors. Take your time to browse through these options. There's no rush. Find the cube that best suits your design aesthetic and the mood of your project. Once you've made your selection, simply click on the cube to add it to your design canvas. You can resize and reposition it as you see fit. Small touches like these can greatly enhance your design's appeal. With your 3D cube now in place, take a moment to admire your work. You've just transformed a flat design into something with depth and intrigue, giving it a dynamic edge. Review how it fits with the rest of your design, perhaps tweak its position or size if needed until it looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully added a 3D cube to your Canva project, instantly adding more dimension and visual interest. Feel free to experiment with other elements in Canva or adjust the colors and size of your cube to better match your project's theme. This technique is an excellent way to elevate your designs and capture your audience's attention. Thanks for watching and happy designing! Be sure to check out our other videos for more creative tips and tricks on bringing your design ideas to life.